Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm here to share with you a new kit that is going to be available. I'm offering it first here on YouTube, and then it will be available on Etsy, but it will be a higher price once it's on Etsy. So I thought I would offer it here first, and the reason it will be higher on Etsy is because of the fees that they charge. So, if you want one, it's probably best to grab them soon anyway because they're limited. I only have 5 available. So let's get started and see what they are. It's as it said in the title, it is a shabby vintage postcard kit. And there's a ton in this kit, and I hope that you will like it. And I made up a sample as well. But let me get started and show you what all you get in the kit. First of all, you're going to get enough to make 3 postcards, and the bases that you get are muslin, and they will come sewn for you. They're muslin, and there's felt in between the 2 layers of muslin. And like I said, they're going to come already sewn for you. So I only have 2 here because I made a sample. So there will be 3 in your kit. So there'll be 3 of these. And there is a total of 6 images. And you're going to get the back of the postcard that looks like this. And each postcard will be different. And then there's the back of this one. And then there is 2 gorgeous images of Lily Elise. And the third one you'll see in a second. So those are 4 of the images, and the other 2 are on the sample I made, which you'll see in a moment. So 6 images and 3 postcards. And then tons of gorgeous laces and trims, which I will go through. So you'll get 2 of these beautiful appliques with the flowers and the leaves. You're going to get a yard of this braided trim. So pretty. And this is new to the shop. It's not even listed yet. So you're going to get a yard of this, which is similar to the bell braid trim I had in the store, but this one is whiter and it's more shiny, I guess you would say, but it's just beautiful trim. And you're going to get a full yard of that as well. You're going to get 3 of the connectors, 3 connector doilies, and 3 full-size doilies, which is more than enough for each of the postcards. You're going to get a yard of this Cluny lace, which is just beautiful. It's in a lovely cream color. You're going to get a large piece of this brand new trim that I just put in the store yesterday. It's pearl and rhinestone on a lovely white braided trim, and look at the sparkle on that. It's just beautiful. I love this trim. All of the pearls and the sequin or the rhinestones are hand sewed on. So if you want to say take the pearls off of here and use them on your project, you can, or the rhinestones, and just use the trim plain. That's up to you, but I love it just the way it is. It's so pretty. So you get a nice big piece of that, and you'll get a nice long piece of the pink sequin trim. So pretty. Beautiful pink color. Big piece of this beautiful lace, which I love. And you can cut all these flowers. So there's a nice big piece of that, which I did cut some for my sample, which you'll see. There is 3 of these beautiful flowers. 3 of these beautiful flowers. Yeah, that's the right way. A lovely piece of this rose Cluny lace. Nice big piece. And this is a new trim in the store as well, and it's the leaf and vine trim, which I love, and I cannot tell which is the right way up. It might be that way. Yes. But look at all the flowers and leaves you can cut off of that, and I did do that on my sample, which you'll see in a minute. I used quite a few pieces from this, and it just layers beautifully. So there's that. And then this gorgeous Venice lace. You'll get 4 of those. It's beautiful. Beautiful Venice lace. And then this Venice lace. Nice piece of this. The raindrop lace. And then my favorite lace. This gorgeous Venice lace here, and again you can cut all the dangles off, the flowers off, and that's what I was thinking when I put this kit together, was layering and cutting things up and how to, you know, add them to your project. And this is a new trim that hasn't been listed in the store yet. These beautiful little flowers, and I think there's 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah, there's 10 you'll get of these. So great for layering. And then the last piece of lace is a large, which I thought for backgrounds, and this is a beautiful lace. It's got flowers all over it, and the centers are shiny, almost iridescent. It's really pretty, and it's a nice quality lace. You get a nice big piece of that to cover your postcards for the background. So those are all the laces and the images, and then you get a goodie bag full of beautiful items. So let's empty this bag out and see what's in here. Okay, so there's 5 white ribbon roses. There's 5 of those. And then there's 3 of the postage stamp buttons. And these are just beautiful, and I thought they'd be perfect because it's postcards, so postage stamps would be great. You will get 2 of the famous pink rhinestone bling. 3 of the Shabby Chic wooden buttons with the flowers on them. 2 of the brand new bow charms, 1 in white and 1 in pink with the rhinestone in the center, and they're so pretty. I love them. 1 of the gorgeous rhinestone and pearl crowns, and so sparkly. And then 1 of the pearl and rhinestone flatbacks. So that's the whole kit, and here is the sample that I made. And I used, this is the other image that you're going to get, and then this is the other image you're going to get. So 6 images in total and 3 of the bases. And there's also 2 Paris words as well. I misplaced one, but there's going to be 2 of the Paris words as well in your kit, so you can add those however you like. So you can see here what I did was I put the background lace of this down first on both sides, and then I put the image down, and then I just started layering. I used the beautiful rhinestone and pearl trim down the side here, and the pink sequin, some of the pink sequin trim here, and then you can see one of those beautiful flower appliques, and then all the little flowers and leaves here are from that flower and vine trim, and there's even some here as well, and another flower there. I did add some pearls from my stash. That's the only thing that is not in the kit. These pink sequins are from the sequin trim, and I just added them for a bit of sparkle. And then I used some more of the sequins here and another of the ribbon rose, one of the white ribbon roses, the Venice lace here, some of the teardrop lace, and then of course the pink rhinestone. I just took my wire cutters and cut the little loop off the top, and then I put the Paris word there. And then the back has the beautiful new bell braid trim, and then the little pink flower trim here and here, and then one of the flowers from the first appliques, more of the little flowers from the vine trim, another piece of the Venice trim, the flat back pearl and rhinestone bling, and then I added a bulb pin from my stash and added the other pink rhinestone on here, and there's the other bow. So you can do anything that you like and put this together in, you know, so many different ways. I'm also going to stickle this one. I think I just didn't get it done in time for the video, but stickling these would be beautiful. And all the images are printed on muslin. I print them myself. So they've got that vintage look. And I just love them. I think they're so pretty. So, and yeah, the bases, you'll get 3 of these, and they're all sewn. So that is the kit. And again, you're going to get this image and this image as well. So 6 images, 3 bases, all these laces and trims that I showed you, and all of the bling and ribbon roses and buttons that I showed you as well. So that's a lot in the kit. And the kit is $38. And if anyone is interested in the sample piece, let me know. I'm happy to include that in your kit for a little bit extra if you want the sample piece as well. Just message me and let me know. You can contact me through my email. It's PayPal only, and invoices paid upon receipt. And yeah, that's about it. I'll just invoice you. Just email me, send me your state or your postal code, or what country you're in, and your PayPal email, and then I can send you the invoice, and we're good to go. So $38 plus shipping, because I'm in Canada, so shipping is like crazy. But it shouldn't be too much to ship because it's a small package. Especially to the US, the shipping's not going to be that bad at all. It's the cheapest place I can ship to is the US. So let me know if you're interested. It's a beautiful kit, and you're going to have a lot left over after you make your postcards, I think. So it'll be fun to have these in your stash as well. So let me know what you think, guys. Email me for more info and your PayPal. And that's about it for right now, and I'll be back soon with another video. Take care, guys. Thanks. Bye.